everyone, so excited to be doing one of my favorite things today, mixing up some cocktails. And here to help me, Chris from Soley.
Hello.
Chris, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So excited to try this new mango passion of yours. Tell us a little bit about this cocktail.
Absolutely. So this is my own company. This is actually juicing with alcohol.
Ooh.
So what we do is we use real actual fruit, in this case mangoes. It's 100% pressed mangoes, and then for the fun, we add a little bit of alcohol for the weekend. So this is juicing for the weekend. So I wanted to show you 3 quick recipes you can do very easily at home.
Ooh, let's do it.
You ready?
What's up first?
Okay, we're gonna do for when it's sunny outside, it's hot, and you want to have like a hard seltzer type drink. We're gonna mix this with sparkling water.
Roughly how much sparkling?
I would do half and half.
Okay.
Then we're gonna add the mango in there. If you want it more,
you could do a little more.
And add more of the mango. If you want it lighter, you add more of the sparkling water.
By the pool, mango seltzer. Let's give it a try. Wow, refreshing. You're absolutely right. Honestly, it tastes like mango juice. I love this. This is great.
The second thing we're gonna do is mango mimosas.
Ooh.
So you can actually upgrade your mimosa and use freshly pressed mango instead of the orange juice.
Roughly half and half. Soley Mango Mimosa. Here we go. Oh, that's yummy. You can taste the freshness of the mango juice. That's what I love. Watch out for this. This could be dangerous.
The third recipe we're gonna do today is actually my personal favorite. We're gonna make mango margaritas.
Yes, I was hoping margaritas was in the plan for today.
And so what I'm gonna show you is that you can make this at home with large bottles, but for people to try at home, we actually have them in these cute little gift bags. So you have mini bottles of the mango passion, of course. Then we have a nice little tequila.
Yes, love that.
And the third bottle is simple syrup.
Okay.
And then we have a recipe card that goes with it so that people know what they can do at home. But we're gonna try it right now. The only thing you need to do is slice up a fresh lime at home.
This might be the most difficult thing I'm doing today.
There we go.
I like how easy everything else is. Okay.
We'll take the Soley mini bottle and pour it in there. Then we're gonna add the tequila.
Okay, tequila's next. And
all of it.
All of it? I mean, I said I love margaritas, so.
And then the third bottle is simple syrup, which basically is sweetness to balance out the tartness of the real limes.
Okay, so far we are 2 for 2 on your Soley beverages, Chris. So I'm thinking we go for a perfect 3 for 3. Oh, wow.
That's delicious, right?
Wow, we ended on a home run right here. This is amazing. The tequila, I can taste it, but it's not overwhelming. And the mango just ties everything together. Chris, thank you so much for sharing our this delicious mango passion with us today.
Thank you for having me.
And I have a feeling that these will be made in my household in the future.
Awesome.
We've already done a little drinking, but now I'm excited to do my other favorite activity, shopping. And Sonia, you look like you have some wonderful gifts for us today.
We most definitely do. My company's name is Sonia's Vokalized Kreations, and we actually make custom luxury gift arrangements. And we're unique in the fact that we use a lot of local businesses as well as BIPOC businesses to keep our items super unique. So today we have a brand that I launched recently, which is for women on the move, much like you.
Yes, right? I'm definitely all ears for that.
These are some of the items that you are seeing right now.
Something tells me that these are not just any ordinary clutch, right?
Exactly. So we actually call them the Manhattan clutches. So what you have right now is the signature Gale. I obviously am a fan of pink, so that's where that color brewed out of, but I also wanted to give a batch of colors that you can't normally find. Like, where can you go and find this color normally when you need a clutch, you know?
The colors absolutely pop. And I'm intrigued by the size. It looks like, correct me if I'm wrong, but
absolutely,
you can fit your entire iPad in here?
Yep.
This is essential for women on the go.
It is, it's very essential for that. The main thing is that you're able to go from the boardroom to hang out with your girls or to go for date night and have that convenience instead of transitioning bags.
These metallic planners.
Yes.
These are adorable, and I already have a list of people in my head that could use these.
Yes, so these are our journals that we came out with. I am a journaler and planner by nature. So I design my own journals, and they're slightly guided so that you have some assistance as you're going through and also keep you super motivated.
These are so cute. And
Thank you.
Your key word, you said motivated. That
Yes.
we all could use a little motivation here or there. I'm eyeing these super cute, what looks like lipsticks, but I'm not quite sure. What do you have here?
Yes, I would be careful not to put them on, but yes, they are lipsticks, but they also keep your phone charged or your iPad.
No way.
Yes. So,
Okay, so it looks like a lipstick.
Yes.
But it's a phone charger?
We have not solved every problem, but we did solve this one. This is one more item that we created, and I found myself creating a lot of gift arrangements for bridesmaids. You know, when they're traveling, they always have this keepsake, and it says a gift from the bride right here. So these are really great to include in those arrangements.
And if you're looking for a gift for your girlfriend, for a woman on the go, just about anybody, SVK.